This is the second algebra video then on removing brackets. So removing brackets, or sometimes called simplifying brackets, is the same thing. Really, we want to get rid of the brackets inside the expression. So we're not trying to find out what the x is or solve the equation, we're just simplifying it or rewriting it in a different way. What the bracket means is 5 has to be multiplied by everything inside this bracket. Now, because we can't add x and 2 together, because one's a letter and one's a number, what we have to then do is multiply them by 5 individually. So the first thing we do is we do 5 multiplied by x, and from our simplifying notes we know that 5 times x just gives us 5x. So the first term will be 5x, then we multiply the 5 by 2, 5 times 2 is 10, so when the bracket's removed the expression is 5x plus 10. Let's have a look at another one. Here we've got 4 and then p minus q inside the bracket. So both things inside the bracket have to be multiplied by the term outside it, which is a 4 in this case. So first of all, 4 times p. 4 times p we can't do, so we just write 4p. Then 4 times q. Again, 4 times q we can't do. But this is actually a minus q, so we'll have to write minus 4q. Sometimes the minus can be outside the bracket, so in this example we have to do negative 2, and then inside the bracket we want to multiply negative 2 by 7 and then negative 2 by minus x. So first of all, a negative number times a positive number gives us a negative answer. So minus 2 times 7 will give us minus 14. Then we want to do minus 2 times minus x, and we know a negative times another negative cancel each other out and become a positive. So this will actually be 2 times x, which is positive 2x. You might wish to rewrite that in a better way, because it's not very nice starting off with a negative number at the start of your expression, so it would be perfectly acceptable to rewrite your answer like this. Because this is positive 2x, you can just leave the little positive sign off the beginning of it. Okay, then putting together our knowledge from simplifying and removing brackets, we can be asked to do questions like this. So in this expression, we've got a term here, and then we've got a bracket with a 3 outside it. So the first thing to do is to get rid of the bracket. To get rid of the bracket, we must multiply both things inside the bracket by the 3 at the beginning. So for now, the 2a at the beginning here is kind of just being ignored, so we'll just write it down, and then we'll focus on doing the bracket part. So 3 times a will give us 3a, and then 3 times minus 3 will give us minus 9. Then we can simplify, because we've got 2a and another 3a, altogether we've got 5a. And then minus 9 can't be added or subtracted because it's not got an a on it. So our final answer for this simplification would be 5a minus 9. Here's another one. If we've got 3 bracket c minus 2 take away c, the only thing that the brackets, the bits inside the bracket, are being multiplied by is the 3 at the beginning. This minus c is quite similar to the 2a in the last example. It's kind of just a little add-on for the first stage. So to simplify, we need to multiply the 3 by the c, and we'll get 3c. Then we'll have to multiply 3 by minus 2, and that'll give us minus 6, because it's a positive times a negative. And then the minus c can just get added on the end there. And then in the next line, we'll have to take account of that, because now here we've got 3c, and we've got another minus c, so 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So we've got 2c, and we've also got a take away 6. So that's that bracket, an expression fully simplified then, 2c take away 6.